Welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. We are in the BitSeven.com/trading platform, and this is part 3 of just a quick intro. This is just a basic quick intro for all non-group members. Please join our free trading Discord community. There's plenty of text channels that will help you dive into fees and dive into everything with the BitSeven trading platform, as well as methods and techniques that you can use. This video is basically just covering the actual platform itself and what we have. Obviously, Bitcoin right now is at 40,400. It's in a declining mode. You're actually getting a quick insight here on how RSI works. Look at RSI coming down well below 30 now, okay, with this decline. So you want to keep an eye on that. I actually interests me, within the zone here, above 400 and a high of 4,960. This plateaus out at a low-level RSI. That's a good opportunity for a buy up Bitcoin. But we're in the BitSeven trading platform we just got done talking about what leverage. Remember the leverages from the different assets we have on the exchange. Also want to cover this. Is very, very important. It doesn't get covered by a lot of people. What is the price on BitSeven? Why is the price on BitSeven so different than some of the other exchanges? Like if you're on TradingView, for example, or you're on Bybit, or you're on, any of the other, name any other exchange, Binance, Coinbase. Why is the price so different on BitSeven? Why sometimes is it cheaper and other times is it more expensive than some of the other exchanges? And that's interesting because there are people who actually buy on the BitSeven trading platform, in a sense that they move Bitcoin in, they trade Bitcoin and move it back off, obviously, to their wallets, and they kind of use it as that kind of like hedge against maybe their other exchange. And that happens with a lot of people who use 1x, okay, that use 1x on this exchange, which is just 1 times your initial entry, right, in terms of leverage, which is very low. And the cut loss on 1x is extremely low. The cut loss on 1x right now at 40,000 would probably be about 6,000, I don't know, 6,000 or 7,000 Bitcoin. It isn't going back to 6,000 or 7,000, mates, okay? So the risk is very, very low to use 1x leverage, okay? Especially if you're timing this market. But you can obviously use 1 all the way to 100 like we covered. But the index is what? Look at the pricing source. These are your pricing sources of how they come up with 40,000. Current price, 40,450. It's an average of this index, and this index, right? Or exchange that determines this number, which is why BitSeven gets impacted when there's a lot of whale selling, institutionals, buyers, and sellers that use Coinbase, right? They love that exchange, okay? But look at the difference here. Binance is 420, Coinbase 475, okay? Polygon 408. Look, see the difference? And then there's the average, 432, okay? And so it's important to know that. It's important also that you're predicated on our volume, the BitSeven trading volume. You're not predicated on Bitmex. And so the people that are using the 6-hour directional method is Bitmex. Like that's based on its volume, based on its pricing, based on the movement of the assets on its exchange, which has its own index tied to other exchanges. So you're doing apples and oranges. Can it help? Yeah, I mean, I guess, but you're doing apples and oranges. You're using a direction method from another exchange that uses different metrics, okay, and then trying to use that on the BitSeven trading platform, right? And it's interesting that the biggest advocate of the directional method is a YouTuber, Bitmex, fast money trader, who trades on the BitSeven trading platform. It makes 0 sense, right? Why would you not be BitSeven fast money trader, right? Why would you not? If you're trading on the BitSeven trading platform, you should use BitSeven trading metrics. And that's what you want to do, okay? And that's what you have in front of you down here, where you can look and understand how the price is being formulated, what volume is being used, right? And so you have open orders. That's going to be all your orders that you have open that haven't executed yet. Your closed positions are going to be all your positions that have been closed, and you can take a look at your progress in terms of profit and your realized P&L. And then, of course, you have your wallet balance, which also shows up in your upper right-hand corner. All right, mates, that was part 3.